Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Compu Geeks. Today I am back again another PC related video. So today I am very exciting to send me MD computers parcel. So let's check out. As you can see here, very tight and there is the t-shirt for combo. And as you can see here, AMD Ryzen 3500X 6 core 6 thread processor, 4.1 GHz max boost, and base clock 3.6 base. So, and here is Steelbird Asrock Steelbird B550M Steel Legend motherboard. So unboxing it. Here is thank you card and strips and driver and some stickers, Steelbird stickers, and software installation guide. As you can see here, very and quick installation guidebook for beginner who wants to install his PC or her PC. This for very important. M.2 screw, and there is the box motherboard, as you can see here. Very solid quality, fully aluminum chassis, and M.2 RPMR thermal threading, and PCI Express slot, 4 RAM slot, DDR4, and as you can see here, RGB audio header, RGB header, audio output, and lots of port here, and Wi-Fi M.2 card, as you can see here. So this card very good quality, and IO seat, CMOS switch, and HDMI port, and mouse port, and USB 3.2 Type C port, and 3.4, and SDFIG, and HD quality audio port here. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like, share. Don't forget to comment. So till then, take care. Thanks for watching.